Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot connecting to the workplace using direct access on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select the update and security tile, and then select troubleshoot on the left panel here. And now on the right side, you want to select additional troubleshooters. And now going down underneath find and fix other problems, select connection to a workplace using direct access and select run the troubleshooter, and give us a moment here. And then again, just follow along with the on-screen prompts. Hopefully it would resolve the problem or at least address to you what the issue is going on here. And that should hopefully be it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.